Hello everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Marie. Today, I'll show you how to make a cake called Bai Tang Gao in Mandarin, which simply translates to white sugar cake. It has a distinctive honeycomb shape which contributes to its sponginess. Oh, by the way, if you fancy some Filipino recipes presented in English, check out my friend Naomi who cooks as Naomi's Filipino Kitchen. A link can be found within the description of this video. Now, back to our steamed sponge cake. Let's look over the ingredients and then I'll show you how to make it. We'll use 1 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of water, half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon light vanilla essence, and half teaspoon salt. We'll start by dissolving the sugar in hot water. Bring 1 1/2 cup of water to a boil. Pour in sugar to dissolve. Turn off the heat. Set it aside for now. Our next stage is to prepare the batter. Pour the rice flour into a mixing bowl. Then add half cup of water to moisten it. Next, pour in the hot sugar water. This will partially cook the flour. Continue to stir until it's smooth with no lumps. It will take about 2 minutes. Now let it stand for about half an hour to cool down to room temperature. The batter should be homogeneous, like this. Next, we'll activate the yeast. In a small cup, mix together 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water, sugar, and yeast. Stir to combine the ingredients. Let it stand for about 5 minutes. When you see the mixture turned into foam like this, it's ready to use. Our next step is to ferment the batter, also known as proofing. Add the activated yeast to the room temperature batter. Stir to mix them. Cover the batter with plastic wrap and keep it warm while fermenting. One way is to cover it with a thick towel. Depending on the temperature of your room, the fermentation normally takes between 1 to 1 1/2 hours. Let's remove the plastic wrap. I can really smell the aroma of the yeast. Okay, when you see the top with lots of bubbles, it's ready. A word of caution, the longer the fermentation, the more sharp and sour your cake will turn out. So check often and don't overdo it. Once the batter is fermented, add the vanilla essence and salt. Our final step is to steam the cake. We'll start by greasing a cake pan. This will make unmolding the cake much easier. Put in some water and bring it to a boil. Pour the batter into the cake pan and steam it on medium heat for 12 minutes. For best results, do not use too high a temperature. Also, try to use a lid that has a little vent like this. It helps regulate the temperature by releasing steam when it gets too hot inside the pot. When the steaming is done, turn off the heat and remove the cake from the steamer immediately. Let it cool to room temperature about 2 hours. Finally, cut the cake into serving portions. Now you can see the honeycomb texture that I mentioned at the start. In cross-section, it looks like this. It's one reason that people enjoy this cake so much. It has a really nice mouthfeel when you bite into it. Thank you for spending time with me today. Please return for more recipe ideas. Happy cooking!